Hey, so once you're done creating your different versions of your background, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is click on our yellow events tab. When green flag clicked, we're going to go into looks and we're going to add a go front layer and change this to back, and then add a go forward, change it to back, and we're going to change this to 200 for right now because we want to make sure that our background is all the way in the back, but it doesn't cover what we created for our leaves as well. So after that, we're going to go ahead and click on our yellow events tab. We're going to add when I receive start game. We're going to go inside of our blue motions tab and add a go to XY block, and we're going to change this to 0, 0. Then we're going to go into control and add a create clone of myself. And now we're going to create a variable for all sprites, and we're going to call this scrolling speed. You can go ahead and check this off because we don't need this on. But the next thing we're going to do is add a set scrolling speed to 2. Next, we're going to go into control and add a forever. And then inside of it, we're going to add an if then else. Inside of the diamond shape, we're going to go into operators and use our greater than. Then go to the motions and add a Y position bubble. And we're going to change this to negative 340. Next, we're going to add a change Y by. And on the next one, we're going to add a go to XY. The go to XY, we're going to change the X to 0 and the Y to 345. And our change Y by, we're going to go into operators, use the multiplication symbol, and we're going to add our scrolling speed bubble on the left hand side and -1 on the right hand side. So once we're done creating this, we're just going to go ahead and right click on the when I receive. We're going to duplicate it so we have a second one, and we're going to add a couple changes. First, we're going to disconnect this from the when I receive start game, and we're going to change it to when I start as a clone. Next, the go to X is going to remain 0, but Y is going to be 345. Then we can go ahead and delete the rest of these because we don't need it. The create clone myself and the set scrolling speed to 2 because we already have it here. We're going to remove that, but instead what we will add is a next costume. So we're going to go into looks and add that in. Now we're going to go ahead and connect these again. And then the next thing that we're going to go ahead and do is, it should be good. So we're going to go ahead and test this out. So we're going to click on our green flag. And as you can see, it's starting to scroll. I'm able to see my next costume that I've created, and everything is working.